video, we have learnt about a division, the definition of a division, parts of a division, and one traditional method of a division also. In this video, I would like to tell you a trick to do a division in an easy way. And definitely it will help you. If it's really helpful to you, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Addy's Learning Zone. Let's go into the sum. 894 divided by 4, which is 894 divided by 4. Now let's go into the sum or into the trick. Let's draw a 3 horizontal lines and 1 vertical line as shown here. Now let's write the numbers in a vertical lines. 8, 9, 4. As it is a 3-digit number, we have drawn a 3 horizontal lines. If it is a 4-digit, you can go with the 4 horizontal lines. But vertical line should be only 2 as shown in the picture. Now let's start the sum. The first number is 8. So let's draw 8 lines. And what is our divisor or divisor? It is 4. Let's cross out the 4 numbers. First 4 numbers and the other 4 numbers. And there's no remaining number. So how many times we have striked out? We have striked out 2 times. So let's write number 2. Now let's come to the second one. The number is 9. Again let's draw the 9 lines and cross out each 4 as a pair. 4, 4. And here 1 is remaining. So let's take this number 1 and put into the third box. We have already one number in the box. What is that? 4. So this one we are going to put into the tens place. Now what is the number? 14. Now how many times we have striked out the number 9? 2 times. Let's again write the number 2. Now the third part. What is the number? It is 14. 1, 4. It means we have to draw the 14 lines. And now let's strike out with the divisor or divisor of 4. 4 once and 4 to second time and 4 as a third time, and we have a 2 remaining. So what is the number we have to put over there? It's 3. And the remainder is 2. Shall we see either this is a correct answer or not? Let's take a formula. Divide and equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now dividend is how much? 894. We can say dividend or dividend as the pronunciations of British English and American English. Now what is a divisor? Divisor is 4. And there was the quotient, which is 223, 223. And plus remainder. Remainder is how much? 2. You can just do the calculation with the multiplication. Then the answer will be 894. At the end I said the formula just you to understand either you have done the correct answer or not. For every sum you don't need to check with this formula, but definitely this will help you out. So now here is one more number. Please try and comment the answer. Thank you.